Welcome to the workshop. Space Industries are developing the Lunar Resource Extraction Vehicle, and to do this, we're building one of the world's biggest 3D printers. The print bed will be 2 meters wide by 3 meters length and 1.6 meters tall. We'd like you to come on our journey with us.
So far we've done 2 cuts, we're on our 3rd one coming up, so it's progress. We're going to keep snapping them out, and Josh stops gas bagging till Matt in the background and starts scribing up. So, you know, the pressure's on Josh. Look, he's dropping the tape measure. I don't even think he's capable of actually pulling off a perfect 3.5 measurement. So we'll have to see when we assemble it. But he's the measuring guy, and this is the saw he's using. So, what a beast. Let him go.